To me, one of the coolest parts about 3D printing is when you find that happy medium between the 3D printed junk that people call like dragons. Nasty! And the practical stuff where people only make like crazy engineering parts.
We gotta find a way to make this fit into the hole for this. Using nothing but that.
And for me, that happy medium comes in the form of a functional piggy bank that's themed like a Ryobi toolbox. Anyways, guys, I'm basically Bensky. Let's get into it. So I found these really cool toolbox themed like piggy banks over on Thangs. They were from a creator called Thelightspd, and they were awesome. What's really cool is this is actually only 3 parts: the lid, and then this bottom like plug so you can keep all your money in there, and then the toolbox itself. Now this is a multicolor print, which I obviously printed over on the Snapmaker U1, and what's really cool is this was just under 5 hours to print this whole thing start to finish. And the cool part is I printed 2 more in other really popular brands with DeWalt and Makita, but these colors are something we need to talk about, which is a segue into the sponsor of this video, which is Sliceworx. Now, you guys know that I have been loving my Sliceworx build plates. They don't just make them for the U1, but they make it for the H2C, H2S, and all the other major printer brands. And these have been absolutely amazing. They stick to everything. They print at like 30 degrees, but they also make filament. And Sliceworx went ahead and sent me over these 3 colors, which are absolutely amazing. They are these 3 colors that match these tool brands perfectly. So huge shout out to Sliceworx for sending me so I can print these awesome piggy banks. And if you guys haven't already checked out the link in my description below for Sliceworx to grab your build plate or filament, go down there and check it out now. Because what's really cool is they're also running a sale on these filaments and other things on their website. So get down there, use my code, use my link, save some money, get some awesome filament. Anyways, let's get back to the video. But like I was saying, this really hits that sweet spot between functionality and like creativity that I really love to see from the 3D printing community. Because I think 3D printing has so many amazing things in the world where it's like, hey, we can do functional things and we can do things that are fun.
Both is good.
And in case any of you are skeptical, I am a Ryobi guy, and you guys can see these colors. I think it's just perfect. I mean, these tools are a little dirty because I use them, but like, this is spot on. Now, this video isn't just about how cool these prints are and how awesome they came out and how fast they were printed over on the Snapmaker. This video is also a huge thank you to every single one of you. As you can tell from my subscriber count, I hit over 3,000 subscribers, which is absolutely mind-boggling how fast we've been able to do that in the time that I've been making these YouTube videos. I've really appreciated everybody's comments, and as you guys have hopefully seen, I try my best to respond to as many comments as I can, and I do read all of them. But as a thank you, I don't own DeWalt or Makita stuff, so we are going to run a giveaway for you guys to be able to win these.
It's happily happening.
I'm gonna have a link down below in the description where you're gonna be able to fill out to get entries to win one of these toolboxes. What's great is there's going to be more than one way to enter. You're going to be able to get entries based off of those things, because one of the things I am trying to promote is my Facebook page. So you're going to get like 3 entries alone just for following that Facebook page. There's going to be some other ways to enter in there, but this is going to run all the way until the 30th of April. So you have plenty of time to find this video, you have plenty of time to share this video with other people, and you have plenty of time to enter to win. Because seriously guys, I cannot tell you how much this means to me that we're growing this channel and we're growing all my social media. I know I've said this before, and I know that maybe some of you are like, oh, boo-hoo, Bensky.
Stop crying like a little girl.
But yes, I was laid off from my full-time employment in December. I have since found some part-time employment, which has been really great, but this is becoming slowly a main source of income for me. Between selling 3D prints online and being able to do content creating, I am making some money. It's not enough, but it's happening and it's amazing. And I have you guys to thank for that. Seriously, I cannot tell you how much I am grateful for you guys being able to support me. Which brings one last announcement. Not only are we doing this giveaway, but if you haven't noticed, as of late, I am starting to monetize my YouTube videos. If you own YouTube Premium, you have no idea. If you you don't, you've seen ads at the beginning and ends of the video. But I wanted to tell you that I am going to turn off monetization when I do unboxings of 3D printers. The reason is I think it's really important to be able to see an unboxing of a 3D printer that's new from start to finish without interruptions. So while you'll see monetization from other videos that I'm gonna post, basically everything else, I am gonna be committed to not having monetization turned on for unboxing videos for 3D printers. So like I said, guys, we are doing this giveaway. I'm really excited. Thank you again so much. So go down in the description, make sure you follow all those steps so you guys can potentially win one of these piggy banks. And don't worry, the giveaways are gonna get more impressive down the road, especially as we get more sponsors and different sponsors and things like that. And the more followers I get, we're gonna do something fun. I mean, I anticipate when we hit 10,000, a printer, I'm gonna give away a printer. I don't know which one. It probably won't even be one of mine. Hopefully I'll get somebody along, but that's how we get this. We get more people involved and we can do more fun things. And as always, if you are not already subscribed to the channel, please make sure you're subscribed. Please like the video. It helps out everything a lot. And comment down below what things you want to see next, and maybe even some builds with all these filaments so we can build maybe storage containers for the Ryobi stuff or other fun tool ideas that you guys have. Because again, I look at all those comments. I comment back as much as I can. But guys, thank you again so much for letting us hit over 3,000 subscribers on this channel. I am so grateful. Anyways, I'm basically Ben Ski. Remember to check out Sliceworx, and mistakes make magic, baby.